Jeff Howard here, Howard's Total Vise. We're here to show you our three popular pedestals. They all telescope. They all have their own specific highlights. This one is a rolling cart pedestal, very heavy duty, very heavy duty. Again, telescopes allow you to drop your tools in and out, move them around the shop. Here's our swing pedestal. We could set him. I could put a ton of weight on this guy here. I drop my, here I've got a vise. I could drop other tools into this, spin it, lock it, position it. It's mounted on our speed track here, and it works beautifully. Here I'll take my gun vise and drop it into my freestanding pedestal, which has the extensions on it so you can slide it around the shop. You can take them off, anchor it to the floor if you want, but it's nice to be mobile. Okay, I can lock him. I can telescope him up and down. I have a tool tray that is sold separately and works like a charm. I can, again, telescope him up and down, hold it like a rock. All these are available on our website. Come visit us at totalvise.com. Thanks.